Hello, I am Aditya Loknath from 8th semester in Electrical Department B.tech. I am from Vaishnav College of Engineering. I have done my industrial project from Jasur 220 kV substation, where I learn about transmission line faults and their safety. So I made a working model about how transmission line faults occurs and how we can provide safety to these faults. Relay is a device that can have the capacity to sense different kinds of faults, and it has very fast time of response. So let's see the working of our project. So let's see, when we turn off the power supply, so there are some components like this is a converter circuit, this is dual channel 5 volt relay, this is a heat fire sensor basically called by thermistor sensor, and this is our load, and this is a 3-wire arrangement of power system which represent the 3-phase transmission line. So when in this model, when AC 230 volt power is coming from the supply, this converter circuit convert it to 5 volt DC, which is fed by dual channel 5 volt relay. This relay had capacity to sense the faults in transmission lines. So there are generally line to line faults and line to ground fault that are majorly occurs in transmission line. So for example, if there is a line, and if this line shorted with other line, it generates a situation of line to line fault which can destroy or cause heavy destruction in transmission line, and it also cause major damage and transmission line damage. So if we see, we can see here transmission lines are connected together, and relay sense the situation of fault. In this case, relay trip the circuit, save the load as well as the transmission lines. Similarly, this situation can happen with other lines. So similarly, relay can sense the fault situation and save our system. If any case of line to ground fault, so in this case, for example, this line falls on ground. So I take a connection from here. If this line falls on ground, so this generates a situation of line to ground fault. In this case, major amount of power that is used it is sent to ground, which causes major loss of electrical power. So we can see here, when line to ground fault situation happen, relay similarly sense the signal of fault and trip the circuit and save our transmission line. So this is how project work, and there is a fire sensor. This fire sensor sense any kind of heat and any kind of temperature rise around the transmission system. So this sensor send the signal to relay, which will trip the circuit and save the transmission line. Transmission line safety and protection is necessary because of cost and efficiency issues. So 24/7 reliable power availability and stability and flexibility of electrical power, electrical transmission safety and electrical transmission fault protection is necessary. So this is my project. Thank you for your kind time.